Hello friends, welcome to Doubt Forum. This question is: a solid sphere of mass m and radius r is rotating about its diameter. A solid cylinder of same mass and same radius is also rotating about its geometrical axis with an angular speed twice that of the sphere. The ratio of their kinetic energies of rotation will be, and these four ratios are given. So before I solve this question, I would like to relate linear and angular motion. So let's say linear motion and angular or rotational motion. In linear motion, we have the concept of linear velocity represented by letter V. Similar to this linear velocity, in angular or rotational motion, we have the concept of angular velocity represented by letter omega. In linear velocity, we have the concept of mass. Similar to mass, in angular or rotational motion, we have the concept of moment of inertia. So moment of inertia is the mass equivalent in rotational motion. In linear motion, we have the concept of linear kinetic energy. So the formula for linear kinetic energy is half m into v square. This is one of the most common formula which we generally use. So this is the formula of linear kinetic energy. If we want to convert this formula for rotational motion or for the rotational kinetic energy, what we will do, we will simply write this half, and in place of mass I have to write moment of inertia, because moment of inertia is the mass equivalent in rotational motion. So this mass will be replaced by moment of inertia. Now this linear velocity will be replaced by angular velocity, because here we are talking about the rotational motion. So rotational kinetic energy would be half I into omega square. So this is the formula which we need not to remember. If we know this formula, and with this substitution we can derive the formula. So this is the formula for rotational kinetic energy, half I into omega square. So to find out the rotational kinetic energy of any object, we need its moment of inertia and angular speed or velocity. In this question, we are asked to find the rotational kinetic energy of a sphere and of a cylinder. So let's consider this to be a sphere of radius r and mass m, and here this is a cylinder. The radius of cylinder is r and mass is m. It is given in the question. So the radius of this cylinder is r and mass is m. The radius of this sphere is r, mass of the sphere is m. It is given in the question. Now one more thing is mentioned in the question, that the angular speed of the cylinder is twice that of the sphere. So if we consider omega to be the angular velocity or speed of this sphere, then the angular speed of this cylinder would be twice of this. So this would be 2 times of omega. So this is the angular speed of this cylinder. It is given in the question. Now the next thing which we require to find out the rotational kinetic energy is the moment of inertia. The moment of inertia of this sphere about its diameter is given by 2 by 5 mr square, and the moment of inertia of this cylinder about its geometrical axis is given by mr square divided by 2. Here in this video, I am just using these formula. I am not deriving these formula here. For the derivation, I have prepared another video. Link to that will be provided in the description. So if you want to know, or if you are curious about these formula, you can refer that link, and from that link you will get the idea that how these formula come. Now let's find out the rotational kinetic energy of sphere as well as of cylinder. So rotational kinetic energy of sphere will be half I sphere into omega square. This would be half into I sphere is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. This would be 2 by 5 mr square into omega square. Omega is the angular speed of this sphere. So the angular speed of this sphere is omega. So this would be omega square. This is our equation number 1. Similar to this, we also need to find out the rotational kinetic energy of cylinder. So rotational kinetic energy of cylinder would be half I moment of inertia of cylinder into angular velocity or angular speed of cylinder square. So this will be equal to half moment of inertia of cylinder is mr square by 2. We are just using this formula. I am not driving it here. Mr square by 2 into square of the angular speed. So the angular speed of this cylinder is 2 omega. So this would be square of 2 omega. Or if we further simplify this, we will get half mr square by 2 into 4 omega square. So this is our equation number 2. In the question, we are asked to find the ratio of kinetic energy of sphere to that of the cylinder. So we have to take the ratio of equation 1 and 2, then only we will get this rotational kinetic energy of sphere divided by rotational kinetic energy of cylinder. So we need to find these things. So in numerator I will be writing the rotational kinetic energy of sphere. In denominator I will be writing the rotational kinetic energy of the cylinder, which is represented by equation 1 and 2 respectively. So this would be equal to half into 2 by 5 mr square into omega square. This is our equation number 1. So from this I have copied it here. In denominator I have to write the equation number 2, which is equal to half mr square divided by 2 into 4 omega square. Now we will cancel the term which are common. So this half and half gets cancelled. Mr square and mr square gets cancelled. This omega square and omega square will get cancelled. So the ratio of rotational kinetic energy of sphere to rotational kinetic energy of cylinder would be equal to, in numerator I have 2 by 5. In denominator what is left is 4 by 2. So this would be equal to 2 by 5 into 2 by 4. So this would be, this 2 and 2 will make 4, and this 2 and 2 4, and this 4. So this would be equal to 1 upon 5. So the ratio of kinetic energy of sphere to cylinder is 1 upon 5. So if we match our answer with the option given, so option number B would be the correct one. Let me quickly revise this problem. So first of all, I have just make this relation between the linear and the rotational motion. In linear motion, we have the concept of linear velocity. In angular, we have the concept of angular velocity. In linear motion, we have the concept of mass, and mass equivalent in angular motion is moment of inertia. This is the formula for linear kinetic energy, half mv square. And if we want to find out the rotational kinetic energy, we have to replace this mass with its moment of inertia, angular velocity with its, this linear velocity with its angular velocity. So this would be half I omega square. In the question, it is given that the radius of this sphere and the cylinder are same. Mass is also same. The angular velocity of this sphere is omega. So the angular speed or velocity of this cylinder would be 2 omega. It is given in the question. The moment of inertia of sphere is 2 by 5 mr square. The moment of inertia of cylinder is mr square by 2. So now what we can do, we can find out the rotational kinetic energy for a sphere, which is half I omega square, and we can put the value of moment of inertia as 2 by 5 mr square into omega square. Similarly, we can also find out the rotational kinetic energy of this cylinder, half I omega square. So the I is mr square by 2. Omega of this angular speed of this cylinder is 2 omega. So we have to take the square of 2 omega. Then we have to find out the ratio of rotational kinetic energy of sphere and cylinder. So what we need to do, we have to simply divide equation 1 and 2. And after cancelling the common term, we will get 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is our answer. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Doubt Forum. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.